Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to make the Japanese dish we named our channel after Niku jaga. Niku jaga is a traditional Japanese homemade food that many Japanese people enjoy. Let's get started! Before cooking, I usually tie my hair back and wash my hands. First, potatoes. As you can see, the package says Meikuin. Meikuin is a really famous potato brand from Hokkaido. I usually use 4 to 5 potatoes for a 2-person dinner. Wash the potatoes until they are clean. Use a peeler to cut their skins. Please be careful not to cut your fingers. Next, remove the potato eyes. Potato eyes are poisonous. If you eat too many of them, you might feel nauseous, get stomach pain, and so on. Since this brand is a good quality brand, it usually doesn't have many. After that, you cut the potato pieces into the size you want. Then soak them in water for about 10 minutes. This process prevents color change, too much thickness, and also removes any astringent taste. Next are the carrots. I usually use 1 carrot. Skin the carrots like you did the potatoes. And cut them to your desired size. It might be better to cut smaller pieces since carrots take a long time to cook. Next is the onion. I use 1 onion for this recipe. First, cut the edges and peel the skin. Cut the onion into wedges. Almost ready. Check to make sure your pan is hot. Pour in a bit of oil. Add the carrots and the potatoes. When they are cooked a bit, add the onions and meat. Make sure you stir it a little bit so that nothing burns. While it's cooking, I wash the shirataki. Shirataki is basically a slice of konnyaku, which is substance made from potatoes. It smells a bit, so you might want to wash it. Next, add some soy sauce, sugar, and some sweet cooking rice and the shirataki into the pan. And boil everything until the potatoes, and especially the carrots, are the right softness. Serve it on a plate and eat. Thank you for watching.